Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Kimchi AI on Windows and get $50 every month for free AI coding. Now I'm going to install Kimchi. Go to web browser, go to Google search, type kimchi dot dev, press enter. Now Kimchi official website is open. Click on Windows, require WSL, click see setup instruction. You need to run this command on command prompt. Go to Windows search, type cmd, click command prompt, type wsl space hyphen install, press enter. Windows subsystem for Linux, click yes. Download Windows subsystem for Linux. Installing Windows subsystem for Linux. It will take some time to install. Now WSL is installed. Type WSL space hyphen list space hyphen online, press enter. See the following list is valid Linux distribution. You can pick the Linux version and install. I'm installing Ubuntu. Type WSL space hyphen install space Ubuntu, press enter. The requested operation is successful. Change will not be effective until the system is rebooted. Now I'm going to restart computer. After restart, open command prompt again. WSL space hyphen install space Ubuntu, press enter. Downloading Ubuntu. It will take some time to download. You will have to wait until the downloading and installing is completed. Ubuntu is successfully installed. Now set username Rohit, press enter. Set password, press enter. Retype password, press enter. Would you like to platform matrix collection? Already is Y. Simply just press enter. Now Ubuntu is login. Go to web browser, go to search, type kimchi dot dev, press enter. Click Windows, copy this curl command, go to command prompt, paste it here, press enter. Downloading kimchi. Now kimchi is installed. Type kimchi setup, press enter. Okay, type exit, press enter. Close command prompt. Now open again command prompt. Type WSL space hyphen D space Ubuntu, press enter. Type kimchi, press enter. Select skill path to enable, press enter. Add a custom path, press enter. Installing superpower skills, press enter. Now you can see select authentication method. I will use Kimchi API key. Go to web browser, click sign in. I am logged in with Google account. Now I am logged on as Google account. Click on account, click API keys, click create API key, type key name, testing, click create, copy this API key. Now you can see it's provide $50. Go back to command prompt, paste the API key here, press enter, type hi, then press enter, initialize git, press enter. Now select model, /models, press enter. I will choose Kimchi 2.6, press enter. So now let's create a web page, top 5 AI model in 2025 using HTML, JavaScript and CSS. Press enter. Minimize web browser. It says your web page is ready on your desktop. It says feedback. I will choose mostly worked. Press enter. As you can see the top AI model folder. Let's open this folder. Double click on index file. Now web page is open. You can see top 5 AI model on 2025. Close web page. Close folder. Go to web browser. Click close. Click close. Go to usage. You can see the cost $1. Check the balance here. It's reset every month, the start of each calendar month. See usage by model. So viewers, in this video tutorial, you can learn how to set up Kimchi on Windows and get $50 every month for free AI coding. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.